It's all about earnings, but besides that, the index has been extremely quiet. At least that was the case yesterday. Kunal and Nooresh on the show as always. Kunal, Nooresh, hi, good morning. Kunal, absolutely flat for the index. Good that we're consolidating?
Absolutely, yes, Aisha. We're consolidating. We're trading about those key levels in terms of indices. One of the best part in terms of global data which happened yesterday was the CBOE VIX managed to come back towards a fresh 52-week low. So that itself tells you the kind of positivity the markets are inclined towards in terms of sentiment across the globe, as well as that sentiment push which is getting translated into a sort of a strong uptrend into equities across the globe. So I think that's one of the key factors, that when the VIX typically tends to come down and hovers at 52-week lows or multi-month lows, that's actually an indication that the market sentiment is getting a lot more positive than what it has been earlier. This could also be indicative of a fact that we may not have too many choppy sessions or choppy weeks for the markets. So like for example, last 2 or 3 days, what we've seen is some bit of consolidation for the index from 17,800. We've ebbed off 200 points, which is just about 1.5% on the index in a matter of 3 or 4 trading sessions. So I think that's the best which we can expect in terms of mild bit of volatility. But I think net the trend is extremely strong and bullish. Until the time factors like VIX, global equities, all of them are in favor, I think the mood of the market has to be on the positive. So buy on dips is what I would recommend. 17,500 is a key support for the index.
Okay, that's Kunal's nifty strategy, a buy on dips, pretty optimistic about the outlook in terms of levels as well. Do you share that optimism, Nooresh? What is it that you're tracking on the index, given that it's been nothing but range bound over these past many days? When do we break out?
So a range bound move is better for the near term, given that we bounced back 1,000 points from 16,800 to 17,800, and now finding a new range at 17,400, 500 on the downside, 800, 850 on the upside, is a good consolidation which is needed before we make the next breakout move. But even in this consolidation, what we are seeing is stock specific action is good. The broader market, the small caps and the mid caps are catching up. And even in the large caps, you will see a lot of stocks hitting 52-week highs as well. So overall, the view is positive. The buy on dips continues on the Nifty. The Bank Nifty, which is outperformed, would wait for a little more dip or maybe some consolidation, and then maybe in the next breakout, one can go for long. As of now, be stock specific. Expect this consolidation to play out for a few more sessions. But overall, the trend is positive, and say after say few sessions or maybe a week or two, we would ideally expect 17,800 to break as well.
Okay, let's talk.